Now I will be talking about how you can change the way the display looks like on the screen.
Stop! This training video on Bizerba equipment is provided as a customer service to Vande Scale customers who have purchased Bizerba product from Vande Scales in the past. Since 2015, Vande Scales has stopped selling Bizerba and designed our own weight price labeling product so that we can properly support our valued customers. The Vande Scales weight price labeling product is specifically designed to endure the rigors of the processing plant environment, being extremely robust. The Vande Scales weight price labeling equipment is designed to be lower cost to purchase, easier and simpler to operate, much lower cost to maintain, much lower cost to service, and easily serviced by your own technicians while being washdown capable and extremely durable. We have felt your weight price labeling pain over the years and promise not to overprice parts or services, keep the design simple, and use normal industry available parts. Vande Scales still has a large inventory of Bizerba parts that we will eagerly offer substantial discounts to you on. If you have not explored the Vande Scales weight price labeling equipment, you owe it to yourself to have a look. We are confident that once you understand the advantages, you will purchase Vande Scales weight price labeling product.
And you have 4 different choices. The one we have on the screen right now is large weight display. I can do large diagram display, which looks like this, where you have to hit the little menu to pop up on the display. Or you can hit small diagram display, looks just a little bit different. And then you can do text and totals display. And this will show you the totals on how much they printed on the master and the slave, and give you the total in pounds and the dollars located right here. So I'm going to set this one back to large weight display and hit the enter button.